pantira.
Guys, pantira may naanak na basa dari uy.
So guys, mag-pizza ang mga wala na budget.
Uy, palabi lang ginimo.
Na, naagay.
Ikaw. Kamong duha kay dapat naman mo.
Everyone.
Sana abot ang DCCT nyo guys. Evening guys, so we're gonna show you all how
How to put juice
pronounce
in the glass.
how among pitsil. We are flexible here.
Kasi tawag ka na ingon nani dyan? Sir, aka ng yahong?
Yahong, oh yeah, the yahong is the new pitsil in the boarding house.
Do you want to join our boarding house? No, no way.
Guys, mo ni ang among kuan.
Dessert.
Juice and then juice without any. Diba hila? So nagay mi allowance, nag-juice pa me. And then for our dinner, guys, we have utan. This one, very yummy utan.
Ito mo na, ano na yun?
Dili uy sa tuyo man na. And then we have bulad. Wow, very nice combination, guys. It makes me feel
Yeah, magkinamot bilin. Magkuhan ako sa baon na sa...
it's giving, guys. It's giving. This is the best.
friend daw ah. Di siya ugar, di siya basa.
Oh my god, the rice is also giving.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Dapat magpayong ka. Amen. Amen. Thank you, Sky, for the food and cooking. Yeah.
Sabi na yung sili no?
Lamit yung sabaw. Lamit sa kakanon. Nag-diet ba ba ako? Guys, hindi to pwede, guys.
Ako nakadilan ka sa chicken sa gawas ay wala ko sabok.
Mauna lang sige, Diyos, ano na.
Tabakin no?
Hila. Hila. Hala.
Sarap, man rin.
Hello!
Sabi daw, kalis mo.
Okay, lasang diabetes.
Is.
Walang tubig?
Ngayon na paano yung...
Uy, ayaw mo pa pininoy. Diyan na, diyan na.
Ano naman ko? Erin Rem.
Wala, wapa ka na human. Dapat
Baka pala buha.
Dapat dumantag-undang.
Nawa, ko dahil may tawag ka.
Ang bukit, kakakabali, o pinagod na sulit.
Sige,
Sulot kay magbunggos ka?
Sige ba? Dito ako sa munggos ko nino.
Ato munggos na lapot do kayo.
Ganda. Wow. Oh, yung kurwan What if?
Ay, huwag lang yun.
Pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Say, let's go! Kaibigan ko.
Mga una, mga gastador.
Wala una ang nakaliko.
Pero sa wala. Pero
Naman na dito. Dapat ay masyasya lang ka ako kaya dito.
Hello everyone, it's November 27 today. It's Monday and it is a holiday here in the Philippines because we're currently celebrating Bonifacius Day. And yeah, I have a lot of things to do even though it's a holiday. It still is school day for me, just virtual, because I have a lot of deadlines that I need to do, I need to finish. So yeah guys, I hope I can really do this because these past few weeks I'm really losing my motivation, dude. I don't know why, but I'm submitting my requirements late and that's not me. I'm really frustrated about it, but I know that I should not really pressure myself. So yeah, I'm really hoping I can finish all these tasks I need to do today. So yeah, I'm gonna do it now. I'll just see you guys once I finish. Hopefully I can finish because today I'm going to go back in Tango because I'm currently in my grandparents' house and it's currently 1:34 and at exactly 4 I'll go back to Tango City because we will have our class tomorrow. So yeah. Done with the first task.
Say what we want, say what we feel.
Yes, it's currently 2:58 right now and I just finished doing one task and I have more tasks I need to finish, but then I decided na mag-ready na lang because I'll go back na lang sa BH and then I'll finish it there because I think it's going to rain and yeah. About to go na carrying, I think, 4 kilos or 5 kilos in my bag. Pray for me, guys. So we're now here in our boarding house. We just finished having a snack. Now we're gonna do the household chores. We're gonna cook our dinner and we're gonna clean our room. So yeah, be productive with me, guys. Will.
Yung agon. Nandito po sa iro. Hindi na tayo iro. Nandito sa gawas.
Okay.
Gusto kasi ba? Pag-group kaya eh.
Wapagi kasugod ang klase, wala na ko'y kwarta. Wala na ko'y allowance. Kwarta.